He's
I always look for crazy shit like that.
yeah. So we have there's a Navy base that's like 2 miles from here.
Yeah,
Mayport Naval Base, and they have drones there. They have a drone squadron there. So
really.
every night at like 8:30, 9 o'clock, you see them. They're flying in like a line. There'll be like three of them. You know what I mean? But they're
That's
those ones
crazy.
with the wings. Like
Yeah, they're
those
regular
Weiss.
regular plain ones.
They're the ones that you expect us to blow you up at some
They
point.
had a couple of those at Hickam because I used to go, I remember I used to go fishing on the Hickam in Hawaii.
Oh
Hickam
yeah,
and Pearl, yeah, they call it Hickam Pearl Harbor now. But I used to go fishing all the time, and they had a couple of drones there, like they had one on display, and then obviously in the hangars they had some. But the one on display, it was like it's supposed to be a drone, but it was like as big as a regular plane, dude. It was
oh, really?
huge. Yeah. And I was like looking at it and it's like, what kind of fucking payload does that thing take? Bombs and shit like that.
Yeah,
But
I always wonder if the ones that they're obviously they're like practicing because you can see them. They're almost like race tracking. They go
right,
by and then they must go out to the ocean and then come back
right.
around again or whatever. But they must be testing like the cameras and infrared
Dude, yeah, it's
and
scary,
whatever.
dude, because you see all the footage from like the Ukraine war and they're using drones to like blow up people.
Yeah,
You
I
know what I
saw
mean?
that.
Chase people down.
Yeah,
Like that's scary. Now they're, weaponizing these drones. Like there was one that was blowing napalm on everybody, you know what I mean? It's crazy.